Want this? Hey, editors, Happy New Year in advance! Many of you wanted to know how to make 3D text like Gojo. Well, in this video, I'll show you the method. Plus, you can use the same technique and make cool 3D text style like other editors, like this. I'll provide the link to all the 3D text in the description. Sorry, I forgot to mention, I'm using Node Video to create the 3D text. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Node Video application and add a 3D text. Then change the font and size and shorten the duration to around 1 or 2 minutes. Now, in the spacing option, just adjust the values like I did, or change them as per your preference. Copy my graph. Next, go to the Material option. Change the type to Reflection Environment and set the environment texture to E3. Then follow the light direction values similar to mine. And many of you have been asking for a thumbnail tutorial. No worries, I'm working on it. I want to create a thumbnail that stands out, so you won't need to watch other videos for guidance. Stay tuned, and soon I'll be uploading a tutorial on creating eye-catching thumbnail. After adjusting all the values in light reflection, add a value around 1.70 for reflection and 0.70 for diffusion. Now, in the Fill option, set the side color to white and the face color to black. Don't change the other values. Go directly to the Bevel option. Adjust the Style step, set the bevel value to 0.09, and change the color to white. Your text is almost ready. Now, let's add the text animation. Make the direction backward and set the evolution or spacing to 0. Now add animation. Choose the type as rotation. And set the start rod to 0. Copy the randomized text animation values that I'm using. Now, create a group and place the 3D text inside it. Next, add a 3D camera and place the 3D text group inside it. Inside the group layer, add a glow effect and use the same values as mine. Your 3D text is ready. Now duplicate it and follow my steps.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorial like this. We'll catch up in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.